Test number 2, Shadow Hills. Let's get rid of this. Even with the compressor off, it's still sounds like it's in the wind.